Good morning kabayan. Nandito naman tayo sa Grand Park Place Village na Nabu Imus, Cavite para i-feature yung unit na nasa likod natin na ready for occupancy. Meron itong lot area na 216 square meters at floor area na 290 square meters selling at 17.3 million. Tara kabayan. So itong unit kabayan, meron itong 2 carport. So ito yung gate nito kabayan. So gated nito gated na ito kabayan, and makita nyo painted na yung ating gate. And meron tayong gate light, house number, at ito naman kabayan yung ating pedestrian gate. Let's go! And so ito kabayan, pagpasok natin, meron tayong provision for inside garden. Pwede tayong magpa-landscape dito upon turnover. Pag nakalipat na tayo, pwede tayong magpa-landscape dito. Or even here kabayan, pwedeng ito yung ating maging inside garden. At ito kabayan yung ating 2 carport, no? Pwede ito kabayan sa dalawang sasakyan. Pero kung SUV, baka alanganin na ito kabayan pag SUV na yung dala nating sasakyan. So pasok, dito naman tayo kabayan, dito tayo. So ito kabayan yung ating service area. And this door is going to the kitchen. So pakita namin ito mamaya sa inyo. And ito ating kabayan yung ating provision for washing machine and dryer. So pag upon turnover, pwede tayong magpalagay ng canopy dito para ma-enclose lang natin to para sa ating washing machine and dryer. And ang maganda dito kabayan, kasama na itong 700 liters water tank. No? Kasama na to upon turnover. Yan. So dito naman tayo kabayan. So makikita nyo, malaki kabayan yung ating area. No? May mga space pa tayo. And this is our lanai area. Ang ganda sa lanai area natin kabayan, this is a covered na. Ayan, may cover na ating lanai area kabayan. So pwede dito pag hapon, no, pwede maglagay tayo ng coffee table dito, no, pwedeng dito magbabasa ng mga libro o magkakape. Yan, no, makita natin, pwede pang ipa-landscape natin to kabayan, yung gilid na to. And ito yung ating sliding door going to the house. Tara, pasukin naman natin kabayan yung bahay. So from the main door. Yan. So kabayan, this is a brand new unit. Kung makikita nyo, kagagawa pa lang ito ng I think, katatapos lang ito last week eh. And let's go, pasukin natin yung ating main door. Yan. So, pwede namin sa inyo kabayan, yung unit na yan, actually, mabilis na sold out yan eh. Parang nasa 17.5 din yata yan, something. So, pasukin natin ito. Yan. So, kabayan, yung pinto natin, this is a solid wood kabayan. Yan. And yung tiles natin, this is a 60 by 60 imported tiles kabayan, yung gamit natin. So pasukin natin ito kabayan. This is an open layout kabayan. Ganyang kalaki yung ating property o unit na in-offer namin dito sa inyo. This is an open layout. So pwede kabayan, dito yung ating living area. Dito naman yung ating dining area. Ito ba yung pinto natin kanina, yung pinto natin going to the lanai area. Yan, this is a sliding door. Tapos ang ganda kabayan, meron tong screen door. So pwede natin buksan lang yan para merong free flow of air tayo dyan sa loob. And ito sa gilid natin, this is our bar counter. Yan, kasama na ito kabayan, included ito upon turnover. And dito sa ating kitchen area, itong ating stainless pull-out, kasama na to. Even yung ating dish rack, pull-out, kasama na rin to. And yung itong ating sink kabayan, this is a quality sink. Fitted sink na to kabayan. And ito, sa ating bar counter, yan, may fitted cabinets yan kabayan. No, even dito, meron tayong under cabinet, meron tayong over cabinet. Yeah. And kagandahan sa unit nito kabayan, meron itong 1 bedroom and common toilet and bath. So, nandito siya kabayan. Dito sa wall accent na to, dito yung 1 bedroom. Okay? 1 bedroom. So, kung may kasama tayong elderly kabayan, so pwede ito. Kung may mga staff tayo sa bahay na kasama, ito, pwede ito sa kanila. Malaki ito kabayan kasi kasyang-kasya dito ang single bed. Meron na rin itong modular cabinet. Yan, meron na rin a sliding window with screen door and provision for aircon. Meron na rin tayong vanity area, kabayan. And ito, meron tong shared toilet and bath. Yan, meron tayong shared toilet and bath. So ito yung toilet and bath natin, kabayan. Ayan. With shower enclosure, kaya makikita nyo, high quality yung mga ginamit natin dyan. Yan. Yan. So, labas naman tayo, ipakita namin sa inyo, kabayan, yung access naman from dito sa ground floor, sa living area, going to the toilet and bath. So, ito siya, kabayan. Yan. Okay. So, ito, kabayan, this is a common toilet and bath ng bedroom number 1 at dito sa ground floor. So, ito siya. Ito yung ating glass enclosure. Ayan siya. Makikita natin yung mga ginamit natin bathroom features dito, kabayan, ay high quality na. So, recap tayo, kabayan. Yung property na to selling at 17.3 million with a lot area of 216 square meters and floor area of 290 square meters. Meron tayong provision for inside garden, 2 carport, service area, provision for laundry area and washing machine, dryer. Meron tayong lanay. Dito naman sa loob, open layout tayo, kabayan. This is the living area and the dining area. Meron tayong 1 bedroom. May kitchen tayo with bar counter. May mga stainless pull out. Tara, akitin naman natin yung second floor. So ito, kabayan, pag akit natin second floor, so ito lang siya. So makita natin, kabayan, yung ating stairs malaki, no? Hindi ito masikip. Wooden steps, meron tayong handrails, ayan, kabayan. And meron tayong glass panel dito for free flow of air, no, and light. Tapos meron pa tayong owning window. Yan, dito naman sa second floor, kabayan, we have 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. Pasukin natin yung bedroom number 1. Ito, kabayan, yung bedroom number 1. Yan. So, kabayan, sa bedroom number 1, we have the vanity area. We have the modular cabinet. Provision for aircon. At makikita nyo, with ceiling na rin yan. And naka-PVC wood tiles tayo dyan. And this is our bedroom number 2. Yan. So, same with bedroom number 1, kabayan. We have the vanity area. At yung ating cabinet. And yung ating provision for aircon. So, let's go sa bedroom number 3. So, ito, kabayan, ating bedroom number 3. Same with bedroom number 1 and 2. We have provision for aircon, the vanity area, and the modular cabinet. So, pinagkaiba lang dito, kabayan, from bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2. This bedroom number 3 has its own toilet and bath. So, ayan, kabayan. No? So, merong sariling toilet and bath ang bedroom number 3. Ayan. No? Shower enclosure. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo, kabayan, ayan, no? High quality pictures. Materials yung mga ginamit natin dyan. Okay, let's go. Ayan. So, dito, kabayan, sa second floor, meron pa tayong extra space dito, no? Provision for family area. Ayan. And meron tayong common toilet and bath dito sa second floor. So, yung ating common toilet and bath sa second floor. So, makikita nyo, kabayan, yung tiles natin is from floor to ceiling. Yan, meron tayong glass shower enclosure. Yan, high quality materials yung ating mga bathroom materials dyan na ginamit. And let's go, kabayan, sa ating bedroom number 4 or our master's bedroom. Yan. So ito, kabayan, yung ating bedroom number 4 or this could be our master's bedroom. Ayan, kabayan, ganyan siya kalaki. This is our cabinets, the modular cabinets. Ayan. Ayan, and a provision for split type aircon. Ayan na yan. Meron na rin tayong owning window, kabayan, dito. May wall accent na rin tayo dyan. And ang maganda dito, kabayan, meron tong sariling toilet and bath. Ito. Yan. Ito yung sariling toilet and bath, kabayan, ng ating master's bedroom. The bathtub. Yan. The shower enclosure. Yan. So malaki ito, kabayan. Makikita nyo, from floor to ceiling, yung ating mga tiles, the copper frame mirrors. So makikita natin talaga dito na high quality yung ginamit nating materials dito sa ating kitchen. Tara, let's go to the balcony. Yan. So dito naman, kabayan, maganda dito sa unit na to, meron itong sariling balcony. Yan, dito yung ating balcony. Yan. Okay, ito yung balcony natin. So makikita nyo rito yung ating actual community ng Grand Parkways Village, Anabo, Imus, Cavite. So ganun kabayan, if you're interested with this property, no, feel free to inquire, mag-message lang kayo sa amin para ma-assist namin kayo. This is selling at 17.3 million. So by the way kabayan, this is Ed Federico, your real estate broker. Thank you!